Hello everyone. So in this video we will solve LeetCode problem number 2114, that is maximum number of words found in sentences. So in the problem statement we are given an array of sentences and we have to find out which sentence contains maximum number of word, and we have to return the maximum number of word count. So let's take example 1. So in example 1, the given input sentences array contains 3 sentences, and the first sentence contains 5 words, the second sentence contains 4 words, and the third sentence contains 6 words. So the output will be 6. Now let's come to example 2. In example 2, the first sentence contains 2 words, the second one contains 3 words, the third one also contains 3 words. So we will return 3 as an output. So to solve this, first what we will do is we will count the number of spaces in each sentence. So in the problem statement only, they have given that a sentence is a list of words that is separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. So they are saying that each word is having only one space between them and there is no leading or a trailing space. So if any sentence contain x number of spaces, then x plus 1 will be the number of words in that sentence. So for the first sentence, the number of spaces are 4, so number of words will be 5. So like this, we will get the number of words in each sentence, and at last we will return the maximum number of words. So to get maximum number of words, we will keep the count of maximum number of spaces encountered till now and the spaces in current sentence. So the variable will be max count and the second variable will be current count. We will initialize both of these variables to 0, and then we will iterate through all the sentences and we will count the number of spaces. So for the first sentence, the number of spaces are 4, so the current count will be 4, and then we will compare if max count is lesser than the current count, and if it is so, then we will update the max count to current count. So for the first case, the max count is 0 and the current count is 4, so we will update the max count. So now the max count will become 4. So this is the condition after the first sentence. And also before scanning the next sentence, that is counting the number of spaces in that sentence, we will set current count to 0. So now if we go to the second sentence, the number of spaces are 3, and then we will compare it to the max count. So current count is lesser than max count, so we will not update the max count. This is the condition of these two variables after scanning the second sentence. Now if we come to the third sentence, the number of spaces will be 5 and this 5 is greater than max count, then we will update the max count, and at the end we will return this number plus 1, because this is the number of space and this number of spaces plus 1, return 5 plus 1. The number of spaces plus 1 will be the number of words in that sentence. So now let's code this in C++. So in the code, first I created two variables, max count and current count, and initialized both of them to 0. And after that I am iterating through all the sentences, and then I am checking all the characters in each of the sentences. And if we encounter any space in that sentence, then we are increasing the count of the space in current sentence. After scanning all the spaces in each sentence, we are checking if the maximum space encountered till now is greater than or lesser than the current count, and if it is maximum, and if the maximum space is lesser than the current count, then we are updating the max space, and at last we are returning the max count plus 1, that is the number of words in that sentence. So let's run this code. Yeah, there is some error, so this should be comma. Yeah, so the code is accepted. Now let's run for all the test cases. Yeah, so this is accepted for all the test cases. Thank you for watching the video, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel.